Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to add your home to Google Maps for public. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Adding your home to Google Maps as a public place is possible, but it's important to understand how Google treats residential locations. Google Maps does not allow private homes to be listed as public businesses unless they meet certain criteria. However, you can still add your home in a few valid ways depending on your purpose. If you only want your home to appear for personal navigation, open Google Maps on your phone, tap your profile picture, then go to your Data in Maps and set your home address. This makes it easy for you to get directions, but it will not be visible to the public. If you run a home-based business and want your location to appear publicly, open Google Maps, tap Contribute. Then select Add Place. Choose a business category. Enter the address. Add details like name, hours, and photos, and submit it for review. Google may ask for verification, especially if customers visit your location. Once approved, your place can appear publicly on Google Maps. If your home is part of a new housing area or missing address, you can request an address update. Open Google Maps, tap Suggest an Edit, then choose Fix an Address or Add a Missing Place. Fill in the correct address details and submit them. Google reviews these requests, and approval can take a few days or weeks. Keep in mind that Google does this to protect privacy and safety, so regular residential homes are not shown publicly as landmarks. Only businesses, public places, or verified locations are made visible to everyone. In short, you cannot make a normal private home public on Google Maps, but you can save it for yourself, add it as a verified home-based business, or request an address correction if it's missing. And that's it. So that's basically how you can add your home to Google Maps for public. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.